Each positive action you take makes a difference. It all adds up. Millions of people in Canada and the United States rely on Lake Huron as their source of drinking water. The work we do, together in partnership with you, helps protect creeks, rivers, groundwater, soil, and Lake Huron. That's important for the health of our ecosystem, for the health of our people, and for the health of our economy. You may wonder, what can I do to improve my watershed community? There are many things you can do at home and work to reduce pollution, prevent topsoil loss, improve habitat, and to keep our Great Lake great. You can find alternatives to harmful chemicals, reduce the amounts of chemicals you store them better, properly dispose of products you don't need, keep vegetative cover on the ground year-round, manage stormwater runoff with positive actions. Find out more positive actions you can take. Read your local watershed report card at abca.ca/watersheds/report card, or go to sourcewaterinfo.on.ca and click on the Best Practices webpage. You may also call us at 519-235-2610 or toll free 1-888-286-2610.